I'm Carl Steven Antonio. I'm from Barangay San Manuel, Tarlac City. I'm 25 years old. I graduated in PWU Tarlac under the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. The airline has ordered me to the club and it's the president. So I want to be a part of that. And also, one of my friends work for me and recommended me to apply as she thought I would fit in the company. I am 34 and I'm responsible for. I think I will adapt well to the new role. So I am looking for a new challenges, learning and knowledge as a challenge.
Next applicant, please.
Good day, ma'am.
So, can you tell me about yourself?
I am glad to share you that I've graduated in Philippine Women's University, Tarlac, under the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Tourism Management. And I've tried several airline companies back then, and now I am trying to gain knowledge, and I'm looking for a new environment to excel and to showcase my skills and what can I do for the company.
What should we hurry? Is it our
I have always been passionate in traveling and exploring different cultures. As a cabin crew member, I always believed that it was an incredible opportunity to combine my love for travel with my strong customer service skills.
Miss Becker, why do you want to be a cabin crew?
I enjoy working with people and providing exceptional service, and being a part of that crew, it would allow me also contributing to the safety and comfort of passengers.
Okay, next, Miss Abby King Pecker. Hi, how are you? Congratulations, you are now here in the final interview. How do you feel?
I am very flattered.
So, how can you say that you are fit for this position or job?
Based on the qualification requirements, I strongly believe that I am the best candidate for my previous company.
So, if you were given a chance to be hired, how can you strive with other employees?
Being a cabin crew is such an honor for me, and I strongly believe that to excel in this job, I must experience every part or step for being a great cabin crew employee. I know to myself strengths and weaknesses, and I am eager to take action for improving myself and showcasing to the company that I can offer, and also to prove to myself that I can suitable for this job.
Well, that's very great to hear. I am looking forward to be working with you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, everyone. I'm so proud of you for being here. Thank you for providing or proving all the work